Welcome back. We're going to take a look at setting up goods for sale for in-app purchases. In the Business One template that we are currently using, in the Edit Application pages, you will see a product order.html page. And this is a screenshot within the app of what it looks like, because we can't view the actual page. You need to be on an Android phone to see it, because it only works within the Android phone system. But this is a simulation of this in a phone. So we're going to click on the edit product order.html. And right here you would set up by putting in your company's name and an abbreviation for your company's name. So I'm going to put Bronwyn's Store and just put BS for the abbreviation. Locations. Here you would put in the address, the physical address, or your physical address in the case of a digital store. Click on products, and in here where they've got services, we can click on those and we can change them, edit them in any way we like. And so you could add in your service name, give it a price. Here we have categories which we can change. You can add an image by clicking on that image link to the resources page and choose your item's image. You can have another page set up within your app with information, more information about it, and that would show up in your resources, in-app resources also, and you could put the link in there. If you were selling something that comes in different sizes, you can add your sizes here. And there are more options here. If it was, obviously if it was t-shirts, different sizes, you could have small t-shirt and price and so on, and then add for a medium-sized t-shirt, large, extra large, so on and so forth. So that's where you add your product details. And then you click on to the next one and edit that, so on and so forth. And this link here is your categories. That's where you saw the basic and premium in the drop-down menu on the products page here. This is where you add and delete categories. And when you've finished setting up that page, you can save it and click Done. So once your product order page is set up and completed, you then go to the order HTML page. And again, this is just a screenshot of what a real order page will look like within your app. You click on the edit audit.html. And in this page, you can add in your tax percentage, pickup message, If it's for goods that are going to be picked up, like a restaurant or a pizza takeaways, you can leave a message here telling people when their goods are going to be ready for them to pick up. If your goods are going to be delivered, then you would say take off the pickup enabled and just leave the basic order will be delivered in 30 minutes or whatever. Add in your delivery price, free delivery instructions. At this point here, you choose how payment is to be made. If it's cash, choose cash. If it's PayPal, choose PayPal. And choose the currency that you want to be paid in. If you're using PayPal, you need your PayPal API credentials and your password and your signature, and you can get all that from PayPal. You can enable sandbox mode, add your PayPal wait message, error message, success message. If you're using authorized.net, then you use your authorized.net details there. And this is the receipt email. You can alter the text of this, but leave the text in brackets. You can change the receipt email body, but any of these text where it has a $sign and an ending $sign, leave those there because that's picking up the information from the orders that have been submitted through the app. Your order email, you can change what it's the subject, and the same here. And really, I would just leave them untouched. Down the bottom here, it says that you need to use HTML for email bodies and use $sign BR / greater than sign for new lines. That's standard HTML. And you can use placeholders. So if you want to completely change those emails, then take note of these placeholders that you can use in the text so that your order total will show up, buyer's first name, buyer's last name, buyer's email, so on and so forth. So you can change those codes as long as you put these codes in to replace what you're taking away so that you're giving the right information to your buyers. And once you have that filled in how you want it, click Save. And then you will have your app ready with a page for people to see what goods you have on offer and to order those goods up, pay for them, and receive delivery information, etc.